This afternoon in Boston, hundreds of health workers and elderly people sent a message to Washington about the fiscal cliff. The message was to avoid budget cuts in Medicare, Medicaid, and Social Security. They also want Congress to avoid giving corporations any new tax breaks. Among those organizing the rally were consumer advocates and unions representing healthcare workers.
I started paying into the Social Security Trust Fund when I was 14 years old, when I started putting up stock at the A&P. And I've been paying into it all my life. And for them to start taking away benefits is ridiculous. The same thing with Medicare. We've been paying into that all our lives. You know, for them to take away benefits that we have earned, these are not entitlements. These are benefits we have earned is ridiculous.
We earned it. It's not a pleasure thing. This is what we survive on. It is very, very hard to survive on just a certain amount every month. We know it's coming, we plan it. We plan every single nickel. We can't even go to the store. It's pretty lousy when you can't even buy your grandchildren, never mind grandchildren, great-grandchildren, a birthday present, because I have to wait. I wait till the 3rd of the month, and then I have to decide who do I give first.
Some of the people are just making it barely with their Social Security check. And if they cut any more and take away all the benefits that we're getting, like they want to take Medicare and change it around, if they do that, some of these sick people, I guess they'll die because they won't be able to pay their health care costs, and it's going to get worse.
This is about dignity for people who've worked hard their entire lives and are expecting to be able to depend on Medicare, Social Security, and Medicaid. Listen, there are groups like the CEO Fiscal Leadership Council out there who are saying we need more loopholes and tax breaks for the wealthiest among us, more loopholes and tax breaks for companies who send jobs overseas. We think those positions are the wrong ideas at the wrong time. We think they're hypocritical, and folks here are upset.
It's only the Republicans and John Boehner and his caucus that are talking about cutting any of the benefits on what people have been working for all their lives, and that's wrong. And that's why we're resisting it, and I think that this is a great thing to have a rally here to make sure people's voices are heard and that we project that out to make sure that when we're at that negotiating table, you know, we're not putting on the table those things that people have a right to, people that have worked for and paid into over their lifetime, and people that make this strong middle class even stronger.